Hi guys, this is Mini Divan and you're watching HealthSite. For some amazing health and fitness related videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon because I'm sure you don't want to miss what's coming your way. Bollywood actor and fitness enthusiast Shilpa Shetty Kundra is known for her disciplined health and fitness routines. She's an avid yoga practitioner and has always motivated her fans and followers towards fitness. Be it her workout videos, her yoga videos, or her diet tips, she never fails to impress her followers. And once again, Shilpa brings us some midweek fitness motivation as she took to her Instagram to share how she turns to yoga whenever she is low in life in order to stay positive. Yoga helps reduce stress and anxiety levels and can help one stay calm. Stating the same, Shilpa shared how yoga has helped her stay calm and relaxed. She recently posted a video of herself doing yoga asanas like Veerbhadra Asana and Malasana. Shilpa even explained the benefits of these asanas in her caption. Sharing its benefits, Shilpa wrote, "Be your own warrior, strong enough to effect and defend positive change in your life. Whether it's a low or a high point, I only turn to yoga. It's the best remedy for me to stay positive, focused and balanced." One of the most calming yet energizing routines is that of the empowering Veerbhadra Asana, Malasana and the dynamic hip opening flow. The benefits are innumerable of incorporating these yoga asanas into your routine. Explaining the benefits of Veerbhadra Asana, she wrote, "While the Veerbhadra Asana helps strengthen and stretch the thighs, calves, ankles, arms, shoulder and back muscles, it also improves body posture, focus, balance, stability and is great for circulation and respiration. On the other hand, Malasana opens your hips, stretches your ankles, hamstrings, back and neck. It also helps improve digestion and improves posture. Concluding the routine with the dynamic hip opener strengthens and stretches hip flexors and reduces tightness in your lower back and hip region. Playing the Atharva Veda, Shanti Sukta or the chant for peace makes it a complete package for the mind, body and soul. Start slow and gradually move from one asana to the next. Time to prove yoga se hi hoga." Shilpa, who's also currently a judge on the reality show Super Dancer Season 4, was missing from the show for a month after her husband Raj Kundra was arrested by the Mumbai police in a case involving the production and distribution of pornographic clips. However, she returned on the sets of Super Dancer this weekend. On the work front, Shilpa was last seen in the movie Hangama 2, the sequel to the 2003 hit film Hangama, which also stars Paresh Rawal, Mizan Jafri and Pranit Subhash in important roles. Shilpa will also be seen in Sabir Khan's upcoming film Nikamma. So what are you waiting for? Start today! And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.